Hello, my name is Michael, and I'll be performing the electrochemistry lab. So first is obtain a voltmeter. We got a voltmeter right here. It's a little old, but still works. It's got our volt setting on it. So obtain 3 batteries from around your house. This is from Xbox controllers, from a TV remote, and this is just one I found in the package, so we'll test it to see if this one's good too. It says measure the voltage of each battery by placing the red lead on the positive end of the battery and the black lead on the negative end of each battery, and then we're going to compare the voltage on the package to the measured voltage. So on all these, you're supposed to have 1.5. That's their voltage, 1.5 voltage, or its voltage is 1.5. Let's write that down. 1.5. All right. I picked 3 different kinds of batteries here, just I don't know, be different. All right, so first one, we're gonna do our D. Set these aside right here. Place it flat. Let's turn on our voltage meter. It's set on voltage. Yep. So we're gonna place it on top. And it's going to be about 1.597. 1.597. So this is our D battery. I'm going to do our AA. This is when it's used. So it has, just make sure I'm getting it all. 1.331. 1.331. Okay. And then we're gonna do our AAA. This one's definitely been used. It's in our TV remote. This one is 1.447. This is 1.447. So we compare. So obviously the D battery has been untouched, so that's why it's pretty much the exact same as the voltage on the package with 1.5. This is 1.597 or 1.5. And then our AA was 1.3. It's been used a little bit, so that's why it's less than the one on the package. The voltage on the package was 1.5. And our AAA, it's been used a little bit as well, so that's why it's 1.4 compared to the voltage on the package, which was 1.5. So I'll shut that off right now. And this is, now we're gonna do fruit batteries. Said obtain a fruit and cut it around the equator so you have a circle with several sections showing. Okay. So we're gonna do this. Actually, let me put this over here. So we got our grapefruit, just like this. This is cut it around the equator. So there we go. We got it cut around our equator. It's got 2 perfect circles, and it says get an aluminum and copper electrode. So we got our aluminum and copper electrode. We're gonna stick it in. It says put the aluminum electrode in one section of the fruit. So we're gonna stick it in, maybe like right here. And then it says put the copper electrode in the same section of the fruit, but do not let it touch the aluminum. So we're gonna put it right here. It's having trouble staying in. Yeah, well, what if we put it like right here instead then? Some of these Shout out on my MacBook. Alright, so says measure the voltage by placing the leads on each electrode. The voltage should be positive. So if you receive a negative voltage, switch the leads on the electrodes. Okay. So we're gonna turn on our voltmeter. We're gonna put that on the aluminum. Okay, hold on. Move the other grapefruit. Zero 0.955. Just make sure that wasn't negative. I don't think this one has a negative. Oh yeah, it definitely does. Okay. See, I had on the right one. So the positive lead's on the copper and the negative lead is on the aluminum. So it's 1.95. Yeah, 1.955. No, 0.955. What? So then we're going to say our grapefruit 0.955. Alright, and then it says next put the copper electrode in a different section of the fruit and then measure the voltage. So we're going to put the copper on the other side of the fruit and test the voltage. So we're going to put, whoops, I'm missing the whole thing. It's about 0.795. Just make sure again. Yep, 0.785. Okay, so it says repeat this experiment with the lemon and a lime. So we're gonna take our electrodes out. We're gonna need a plate for these. Okay, there we go. That's our grapefruit. I'll put this one over here too. Okay, next we're gonna do our lemon. Got our lemon. I'm gonna cut it down the equator. We've got our lemon. Then we're gonna put the aluminum in one end. Deep enough. I'm gonna put our copper right next to it without them touching. Alright, I'm gonna measure the voltage. It's looking about 6.40. Let's say lemon equals 0.640, and then we're gonna move our copper to the other end of our lemon. Come on. And some difficulty staying in. There we go. Okay. Now we're gonna measure it. And this one's looking about 0.572. Alright, and that's our lemon. Now we're gonna go place these over here. And last, we're gonna do our lime. Cut it in half. Unfortunately, forgot to mention this, but my electro or my voltmeter, like, they don't have clips on it, so they're just ones like you have to touch. But it still works. You can still get the voltage out of them. So first, we're gonna put our aluminum in our lime. Now we're going to put our copper around the same place. I need something to hold this up. Yeah, it'll be fine. So we got our lime. So I think they're touching. That doesn't make sense though. Someone's having a hard time. My hands are gonna be all sticky now. Okay. Oh my gosh. Let's put 0.52. And then we're going to do the copper electrode on the other side of the line. Okay. 0.442. Okay. Other side equals 0.442. All right, and I believe that is the lab. So thank you.